Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to block unwanted websites in Chrome. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this three dots, and this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to extensions right here and then click on visit Chrome web store. And this is going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to extension. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search result, right? Search extension and theme right here and type in block. And then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on block site. And this is going to pump up. So you can simply check the review by the previous user of this particular plugin right here. And the plugin has about 1 million users already. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add Chrome. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on add extension. So after a successful install the extension to our Chrome browser, next thing we want to do is to exit from the Chrome store, and then I'm going to simply create a new tab right here. Then I will go to a website, netherlands.com. Then on open a particular site that we want to block, next thing we want to do is to simply come to the top right here. We'll click on the extension right here. And then what we need to do is to simply click on the block site. And this is going to pump up. Then block this site. It's as simple as that. Then by the time you refresh the page, then the site is going to be blocked. So let's simply refresh. Just like what you see right here, you can see the site has been fully blocked. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to block unwanted websites on Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.